Have you ever pondered the power of our mighty sun? Not just the light and warmth it brings, but the solar storms it produces that could potentially disrupt our modern way of life. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of solar storms and their potential impact. Imagine, if you will, the sun as a gigantic nuclear reactor continuously fusing hydrogen into helium. This process releases enormous amounts of energy, some of which is ejected from the sun's surface in the form of solar flares and coronal mass ejections, collectively known as solar storms. These storms hurl charged particles into space at high speeds, and when Earth lies in their path, our planet's magnetic field interacts with these particles, resulting in some truly spectacular phenomena. But what does this mean for us and our technology-dependent society? Well, these charged particles can play havoc with our electrical and communication systems. Power grids can overload and fail, satellite communications can be disrupted, and even our trusty GPS systems can go awry. If a particularly powerful solar storm were to hit, the consequences could be dire, with blackouts potentially lasting weeks or even months. So, what's being done to mitigate these potential effects? Multiple organizations across the globe are keeping a close eye on our sun, monitoring solar activity, and providing early warnings of solar storms. This data allows power companies to prepare and protect their grids, and satellite operators to take preventive measures to safeguard their equipment. Recent research suggests that the sun's activity is cyclical, with peaks roughly every 11 years. As we approach the mid-20s, scientists predict we may be heading towards a period of increased solar activity, making the potential threat of solar storms even more pertinent. In summary, solar storms, the product of our sun's immense energy, pose a real and potentially disruptive threat to our technology-based society. Power grids, satellite communications, and GPS systems are particularly vulnerable, but with careful monitoring and preparation, we can mitigate the worst of these effects. With the predicted increase in solar activity in the coming years, the need for vigilance and preparedness becomes ever more crucial. Remember, the sun giveth, but it also taketh away. So while we marvel at the beauty and warmth of our solar benefactor, let's also respect its power and prepare for its storms. Before we wrap up, we'd like to invite you to join our solar community. If you've enjoyed this dive into the power of the sun and its impact on our world, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release more informative videos like this one. Did you find this video informative, enlightening, or simply interesting? If so, show your support by giving us a thumbs up. Your likes help us understand what content you enjoy most and encourages us to continue exploring these fascinating topics. And lastly, we'd love to hear from you. Do you have any thoughts, questions, or perhaps some interesting solar facts of your own? Feel free to share in the comments below. Your engagement not only enriches our content, but also fosters a community of like-minded solar enthusiasts. Thank you for watching, and remember, respect the power of the sun, but also embrace its mysteries. Voiceover. If you've enjoyed this captivating journey into the heart of our sun and its far-reaching effects, then we have more in store for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest releases. We're constantly exploring the mysteries of our universe, and we'd love for you to join us on this enlightening journey. If this video has sparked your interest or expanded your knowledge, show us some love with a thumbs up. Your likes are not just a source of encouragement for us, but they also guide us in understanding what kind of content you find most valuable. And of course, we welcome your thoughts, questions, or any intriguing solar facts you might want to share. Drop them in the comments section below. Your engagement is what fuels our content creation and fosters a vibrant community of curious minds. Thank you for your support. And remember, the power of the sun is not just to be respected, but also to be explored and understood.